This lesson is a little demonstration for Walter Johnson at the physics department. They wish to make a sphere that whose center that can be placed according to its center. I'm going to make one that is 3 feet in diameter, rather 3 feet in radius. So I outlined the steps. We basically have to contrive a center point by drawing a line from the circle that we're going to revolve to make a copy of this circle. Camera's in parallel mode. I'm going to go to a front view. So we have 2 circles, identical. We need to place a circle perpendicular to each other. So we can use one as a path for the sphere. Let's take the rotate tool, endpoint, red axis, rotate it to 90, go to an isometric view. Really doesn't matter where that circle is. So I'm, for illustrative purposes, I'm just going to empty that bottom circle. This circle is what we're going to use for the path, and this is the shape that we're going to revolve. And I'm drawing a line from any endpoint. Remember, SketchUp deals with planes, so a circle is faceted. You have to make sure that you click to some endpoint and then to the center of the circle, and that line that's drawn should be 36 inches. You can see that that edge is in fact 3 feet. So that point is the center of the circle. Select the path, the Follow Me tool, and the shape. That creates the ball. Change of view to face style to X-ray so that we can see through it. So the line, the end point of that line is actually the center of the sphere at this point. I wasn't certain I was recording, sorry. Triple click to select the sphere, and we're going to make it a component. Edit, make component. We're going to, before we go ahead and execute this command, we're going to set component axes. Let's call this sphere with center. Click on set component axis. Can be done afterwards, but you might as well do it now. And I'm going to zoom in. Anything that you can see in SketchUp, you can snap to. So you can see that I can snap to the end point of that line. First click places, anchors the axis. The second wants to place the red axis, the third the green, that's a VDI error that we'll ignore. We can work around that. Okay, so now we have a sphere that if I use the move command, it's going to move according to its origin. How can I test that? draw an arbitrary line 5 feet in height. Let's take that sphere, use the move tool, select the origin and place it at the top of that line. So if I rotate this view, you'll see that that sphere is now at a height, the center of that sphere is at a height of 5 feet. I think the geometry is clear, so we don't have to prove it. We can stop there. 6 minutes of sphere making should be enough. I will stop.